Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn about Go language features and Go versus Python language. Go language features are here. Excellent community is the first feature because Go is developed by Google. Fast compile time, which I like the most with the case of Go language. Garbage collected memory, it means that you do not need to manage your memory, and because of that Go is very simple language. The title of Go language is that simple, reliable and efficient at the same time. The syntax of the Go language is very simple, reliable, and the result or compilation time of the Go language is also very efficient. Go versus Python language. Go is procedural language. On the other hand, object-oriented programming language is Python. Focus on system development in case of Go, but in case of Python, focus on web development. You can learn Flask or Django frameworks for web development. Syntax uses braces, curly braces, and in Python syntax uses indentation. Go faster compilation and Python is a little bit slow than Go language if we talk about compilation. Which language is best depends on the condition or depends on the problem that you are going to solve. If your problem that is solved by Go language, then obviously use Go, and if your problem is solved by Python, then obviously use Python. But Go language becoming very popular. I hope you will enjoy Go language. Thank you for watching this video.